what do you see on the horizon for event technology? What's coming? What's coming next? What are some of the hot topics? And Tyler, I'd love to start with you.
Yeah, excuse me. I think sustainability is a hot topic right now. Just how can event planners continue to cut back waste and just get that nice green footprint in their events? And as we've seen from the Cisco side, there's a huge commitment on that all the way through the organization. So I think as we turn to events, that is also something that is going to be huge as well. So whether that's getting rid of paper badges and digitizing those, or getting app sponsorship on TV screens or things of that nature, so we're not printing out these big boards. I do think that is a huge piece as well. And something that's super simple, and I think you heard us touch on it a lot today, but just continuing to make all of these technologies easier to use is another piece for the event planners and the event tech industry as a whole.
Yeah, that's a great point. And I love that you brought up sustainability. I think that is, I mean, it's touching every part of our life right now. So why not also event tech? Nolan, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, I think that event tech, what we're going to see over the next couple of years is really kind of bringing together and creating a unified customer experience. So leveraging those large in-person kind of annual or, a couple times a year types of events, but then also leveraging event technology to be able to keep those in front of those customers, right? Create communities, create smaller virtual events year round. And what that means is you need an event technology platform of record that can really kind of go with the ebbs and flows, that can support the community, the virtual events, and the in-person events. So I think we're going to see some consolidation, honestly, in the space. I think that event planners are looking for kind of a single source of truth. There's a lot of complexity in integrating the integrations amongst a bunch of different solutions. And what they're looking for is kind of a single view of the customer, 360 year-round engagement. And so I think that you're going to see a lot of consolidation and people looking for sort of an end-to-end event technology solution.
Yeah, I 100% agree. And Cheryl, I know that you have thought a lot about this too. Anything you'd like to add?
Absolutely. I would just add to that gone are the days that you have to manage multiple apps and multiple vendors. We really bring everything together. So all your event sort of tech and capabilities to make your life easier, to make planning the event easier. And that comes from building and previewing your event to those real-time analytics and being able to take action all in one place. It could not get any easier.
Yeah, good point. And Travis, we have not heard from you yet. Anything that you'd like to add to this question?
Yeah, it's probably just adding on a little bit to what's already been said, but I think attendee expectations are high, and people are craving real experiences and memorable ones. And I think as a result of that, I think we're going to see organizers really be very intentional, as they always are, but in creating real and memorable attendee experiences. And we're going to continue to see the use of AR and VR and other technologies to continue to play a big role. And then as a result of those investments, I think, as kind of Nolan was saying, you don't want those headwinds and that energy, that positive momentum to just go out your front doors when the event's over, right? You don't want them to walk out with the attendees. So how do you find a way to keep that energy going? How do you build community? And I think we'll see events really using technology for digital community building, throughout the year. And I think it's exciting to see where it goes here in 2023.